Here is 12 surprising facts about cooked foods. Did you know that the food you cook every day is actually transforming in ways most people never think about? Cooking doesn't just make food taste better, it changes its nutrients, safety, and even how your body uses energy. Some foods become healthier when cooked, while others lose important vitamins. Today, you'll discover 12 surprising facts about cooked foods that will completely change how you see your plate. Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring 12 powerful facts about cooked foods, how they affect your health, digestion, and nutrition. Let's begin. Fact number 1. Cooking improves digestibility. Cooking food makes it easier for your body to digest. Heat breaks down tough fibers, proteins, and starches that your stomach alone would struggle with. This is why cooked meals feel lighter and more comfortable to eat compared to raw foods. It also helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, especially from grains, vegetables, and meat. Fact number 2. Cooking kills harmful germs. One of the most important benefits of cooking is safety. Heat destroys harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites that can cause food poisoning. Raw meat, eggs, and seafood can carry dangerous microbes. Proper cooking ensures your food is safe to eat and protects your body from serious infections. Fact number 3. Some nutrients increase after cooking. Cooking doesn't always reduce nutrition. In fact, some foods become healthier when heated. Tomatoes release more lycopene after cooking, which is a powerful antioxidant. Carrots also increase beta-carotene availability. Heat breaks cell walls, making certain nutrients easier for your body to absorb. Fact number 4. Cooking enhances flavor and aroma. Cooking changes food through chemical reactions like caramelization and the Maillard reaction. These processes create rich flavors, golden colors, and delicious aromas. That's why grilled, baked, and roasted foods taste so much better than raw ingredients. Fact number 5. Overcooking can destroy vitamins. While cooking is helpful, overcooking can damage nutrients. Vitamins like vitamin C and B-complex are sensitive to heat and water. Boiling vegetables too long can cause these vitamins to leach out, reducing their nutritional value. Fact number 6. Steaming preserves nutrients best. Steaming is one of the healthiest cooking methods. It uses gentle heat without direct water contact, helping preserve vitamins, minerals, and color. Vegetables like broccoli and spinach retain much more nutrition when steamed compared to boiling or frying. Fact number 7. Cooking makes starch usable. Foods like rice, potatoes, and wheat contain starch that is hard to digest in raw form. Cooking breaks this starch into simpler forms, making it easier for your body to convert into energy. That's why cooked carbs are a major energy source worldwide. Fact number 8. Some foods are toxic when raw. Certain foods are dangerous if eaten raw. Kidney beans, for example, contain toxins that can cause serious illness. Cooking destroys these harmful compounds and makes the food safe. This shows why proper cooking is essential for health. Fact number 9. Cooking method affects health. Not all cooking methods are equal. Frying at high temperatures or reusing oil can produce harmful compounds. On the other hand, steaming, boiling, and baking are generally healthier choices. The way you cook food matters as much as what you eat. Fact number 10. Cooking changes texture. Cooking transforms hard, raw foods into soft, easy-to-eat meals. Meat becomes tender, vegetables soften, and grains become fluffy. These changes make food more enjoyable and easier to chew and digest. Fact number 11. Cooking helps food last longer. Cooking reduces harmful microorganisms, helping food stay fresh longer when stored properly. That's why cooked food often lasts longer in the refrigerator compared to raw ingredients, especially when combined with preservation methods. Fact number 12. Cooking changed human evolution. Cooking played a huge role in human evolution. It provided more energy-rich food, helped brain development, and reduced the effort needed for digestion. Scientists believe cooking is one of the reasons humans developed larger brains over time. So now you know, cooking is not just about taste, it's about safety, nutrition, and even human evolution. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing facts like this.